First and foremost, Lake Region Electric Cooperative's business is providing reliable, uninterrupted electrical service to members. With blizzards, negative 35 below zero temperatures, high winds, and summer storms, maintaining reliable service can be challenging.
As an organization, we pride ourselves on being strategic.
Each year, the company reviews the latest technologies and looks to implement new ways to assure reliable, accessible power for Lake Region members.
But in 2020, the challenges of COVID-19 has totally shifted our consumer electrical load, making the expectation for reliability much higher.
Suddenly, school and business life was now being done out of the home. Reliable power for internet connectivity was not just important, but critical.
With COVID, you could feel the intensity from members when there was a power disruption.
Kids couldn't do schoolwork. Business meetings could be cut off.
Our members' electric power needs had changed, and we had to respond.
But what do you do when you're already ahead of the game in reliability? How do you improve performance?
We realized that we had to change our reliability standards to meet the new demands of our members.
Minimizing outage times and responding quickly was no longer good enough. We had to find ways to prevent outages before they occur.
The search led the Lake Region management team to an emerging technology called Exactor. Exactor uses patented technology to identify and locate overhead equipment emitting electrical signals on overhead lines that indicate a pre-fail condition. These signals are a sign of deteriorating equipment. They are usually invisible, but are the most accurate indicator of a future power outage. In October of 2020, Lake Region decided to do a pilot project to evaluate the Exactor technology. The project inspected 150 miles of circuit along with 10 substations. It found 32 components on the lines emitting pre-fail signatures, each one a potential outage, and the substation assessments found 5 pieces of equipment emitting pre-fail signatures. Using the Exactor report and mapping, Lake Region linemen were able to go to the problem locations and replace the deteriorating equipment. Unlike other technologies that require linemen to stop at every pole and spend time inspecting, the Exactor sensor picks up the pre-fail electrical signatures as you drive the lines. This enables a much faster system inspection capability for Lake Region.
With this tool in our reliability toolbox, we will be able to patrol and assess large portions of our 4,400 miles of overhead line to find problems and preempt outages that would otherwise have been undetected.
In addition to standard line patrols, Exactor technology will be used by Lake Region Electric to solve a number of ongoing system challenges like finding the source of unknown outage causes, improving lineman safety by enabling planned repairs to be done during regular business hours, which minimizes the night and storm work, finding root causes of flickering issues, identifying the cause of ham radio interference, and locating any faulty workmanship after fast storm recovery or new construction. Exactor is a technology that can help Lake Region members, but primarily it enables Lake Region to move from responding to problems to preventing them.
Sometimes problems and challenges will drive you to new solutions you might never have found. For Lake Region, having the ability to predict and prevent outages for our members is the next generation of member reliability.